Morning guys, so in this video I want to share with you why people move their stop loss or don't even place a stop loss, and how you can prevent stopping yourself from doing it. So why should we not move our stop loss? Let's start there, because when you take a trade, it's really important that you know how much you're risking on a trade. When you move your stop loss out, what you're doing is you're increasing your risk and you're increasing the chances of you blowing up that account. So how do you stop yourself? Well, let's get to the reason why we move our stops in the first place. One of the most common reasons is we don't accept the risk. So when you place that stop, you're only thinking about how much money you're going to make. You're not thinking about how much money you're going to lose. So a really simple solution to that is reduce your position size. Risk less. And that way, if you're wrong on the idea, I know it's unthinkable to be wrong on a trade, but if you are wrong, at least you're going to risk only a small amount of your account, and it allows you to take that next trade. I want you to change the definition of what a stop is. A stop is not taking a loss. A stop is giving you an opportunity to take more trades. That's what it's there for. You've not got this trade idea correct. You've made a mistake. The market has done something different to what you expected. But that stop is an opportunity. So if you change the definition of what a stop is, you will stop moving your stop. You'll stop doing these silly mistakes that are going to cost you your account. I'm sure you work really hard to earn the money that you earn. Why are you going to throw it away? Why are you going to do these silly things where you move your stop out unnecessarily? Place a stop and think of it like, hey, you know what? It's absolutely great if it stops me out. It gives me another opportunity to get a better price, a better entry, to rethink the analysis. And that way, it keeps you alive. And actually, a lot of the time, when I get stopped out, I make more money because I'm now going to get an even better price. It's gone to a price where I never thought it would even get to. So now it gives me another chance. But if I risk too much on that trade, I won't have that chance. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Hope this helps. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.